How's life?
Beats me.
Why are you laughing at me? Your mom beats you? Laugh at me! I beat you too. Slap. Man, you're abused. Does your boyfriend, like, is that where Bruce is from?
No.
Here, I'll call him right now. And be like, stop abusing my whore.
Because
Because I abuse you. But we love each other.
maybe. Maggie fell down. It's okay.
So. Try that again.
Take 2. Cut. Your butt's in the air.
It's not.
Rip.
Rip.
Oh, my belly button. You're like this.
It's okay. Can't rape the willing.